Hello and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video guys, we'll be solving a great exponents problem that will test your understanding of basic algebraic concept. The problem we'll be solving is as follows. 3 power 4 times 3 power 2 brackets over 3 power 3. So the first, let's review some basic rule of exponents when we are multiplying two numbers with the same base. We had the exponent that is power m times a power n is equal to a power bracket m plus n bracket. That is our rule. When we divide two numbers with the same base, we subtract their exponents. That is a power m divided by a power n is equal to a bracket a power bracket m is equal to so that's it. So what we did is that the first was putting out some basic loose components, that was multiplying and subtracting. Now let's use these rules to solve the problem. We can simplify the expression as follows. So 3 I'm going to put it in brackets, 3 power 4 times 3 power 2 bracket over 3 power 3 is equal to 3 power bracket 4 plus 2 bracket over 3 power 3 is equal to 3 power 6 over 3 power 3 okay, is equal to 3 power bracket 6 equals minus 3 is equal to 3 power 3. So by doing this, therefore, the value of expression is 27. It's 27. So that's the answer. This problem is a great example of understanding basic algebraic concepts like exponents. Can help you solve more complex problems. So whether you are a student preparing for an exam or just interested in learning more about math, this video is for you. I hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more maths tutorials and problem solve tips. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.